a reversible slicing dish for thick and thin. In case you want to slice vegetables or fruits in a bigger size, you use this size. You can see this here. You slice in bigger shapes, okay? Then if you want to slice in smaller shapes, you use this side. This is why it's called reversible, okay? It's also written here, it says here for fine, here it says for fine, and here for coarse or big. It grows, that is Dutch language, because here the language spoken here is here we have the chopper, okay? When I fix it, you put it in here and then it cuts whatever you have and then you blend. Okay, hello lovely people, you're welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great from wherever you're watching me from. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this multifunction mixer, blender, and all the rest. You're going to see how it works. This is from Bosch. You can see what I have here. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can use it to do a lot of things. Okay, the accessories here are the things you should expect when you buy this. I'm going to be looking at these things to show you how it works. Before we continue, if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Chinaza. My channel, I do a lot of video content like unboxing, like we're doing today, Germany immigration information, and a lot of Germany lessons. Let's go on. And if you're my old subscriber, thank you for remaining with me to this point. If not subscribed as we watch this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification on so you'll be aware whenever I post new videos. Now this multifunctional blender has a lot of things to expect when you buy it. Okay, it is from Bosch and it is MCM 3200 watt, that is 3200 watts. Okay, now the type is CNCM 12 in case you want to buy. This is what I'm reading from. Now this is the bowl. I hope you can see. You have the bowl, multifunctional knife, dough tool. You can also use it to mix dough, or if you want to bake, you can use it. Have beating disc if you want to beat egg. Now it has shredding, reversible slicing dish tin, reversible shredding dish course, accessory bag, which you will be seeing. It has the blenders, it has chopper, universal blade for blender and chopper, grinder blade for chopper. Okay, we're going to be seeing everything written here in this box. So let's go on to unbox this together. Guys, here we have the manual. Hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, we have the manual, and this is a MultiTalent 3/3 playlist. Okay, now going on. This is the reversible shading and slicing dish. Okay, reversible being that you can reversible shading and slicing dish, you can use it this way or this way. Okay, once you want to shade or slice in bigger shapes, you use this side. Okay, if you want to shade or slice in smaller shapes, you reverse it and use this side. This is why it's called reversible shading and slicing dish. I have the reversible slicing dish for thick and thin. In case you want to slice vegetables or fruits in a bigger size, you use this size. You can see this here. You slice in bigger shapes. Okay, then if you want to slice in smaller shapes, you use this side. This is why it's called reversible. Okay, it's also written here, it says here for fine, here it says for fine, and here for coarse or big. It grows, that is Dutch language, because here the language spoken here is here we have the chopper. Okay, when I fix it, you put it in here and then it cuts whatever you have, and then you blend. Okay. Okay guys, we've come to the point where we have the bowl. This is the bowl of this great multifunctional food processor. This is where you pour in whatever you are processing. Okay, you can see it is still guided to avoid injury. Okay, and then you fix. It's actually big. It can contain a good quantity of food. Guys, we have the blender. The blender itself, these things are made of silicone. Even if they fall to the ground, they are not going to break. It's not like glass. It can only crack and things over. Made of silicone. It's not glass. So I like it. The ones with glass are heavier, so it's lighter. It's made with glass. This is the bowl. Oh, sorry, this is the blender I meant to say here. So yeah, food has liter, cups, floors, all the measurements you need. You can pour in measuring liters, measuring in cups, measuring in flocks. Okay, so this is actually good. It's made of silicone. It's not heavy, and it is good. Master. Voila, here is the engine box. Okay, here, this is the main thing where here we have the engine box. Has medium for blending, on and off, 1 and 2. Okay, and here is the cord. Can actually use this anywhere, anything guys. You fish in, you pour in what you want to blend, and then you cover. Hope you can get it. Here is the full accessory coupled. Okay, and then you control from here and you blend. Here you pour in right from here. Maybe you want to slice vegetable or fruit in a glass or big size. I use this for big size, and then reversible it is, and this is for thin size. You just you fix this like this. You cover and then you slice. Okay. You also want to slice the vegetables. If you want to blend anything with this, you also just pour in what you need here. You blend. So we have the complete accessories here. Is the bowl with the blade. This. And the cover. People, I hope you enjoyed this video to this point. This is all I have concerning the accessory of this multifunctional food processor. Okay, you're going to be seeing in my next video when I start using it to blend and process food or to beat dough, how it really works. Thank you for watching to this point. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment. Do you have this processor? Do you have any difficulty using it? How long have you lasted?